All right, I'm back, team. I've got an older tire, so if I screw something up, it's not gonna hurt, and I'm not doing it on a brand new set. So as we see, this is 42.17. We're gonna throw that on there. And so I'm gonna try to do this without jiggling around too much. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. All right, so as any good 12th scale arbor is, it's a snug fit. You don't want that thing going anywhere. I need two hands to do this. Apologize about the black. You're not seeing anything. All right, so I got that sucker put in, right? We got a gravity spec. I'm gonna double check to make sure there's no wobble. Okay, we're good. All right, so now, who needs instructions when you can start pushing buttons? All right, I don't know what the original tire diameter is. It's actually the original, I guess, yeah. It's going to be, okay, let's exit here. Actually, let's do the mode 2. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to setting mode 2. We're gonna go to manual, where did I go? Setting mode 2. All right, manual key in. I'm gonna say 42.17. Well, they didn't like that. So 42.2. 42.2. Enter. Okay. And then I can exit that guy. And I'm going to want to finish it at, let's go 41.5. Right? Actually, yeah, let's do that. Okay. 41.8. So I can get a little more run out of it, if it works. Okay, exit, round edge. We're gonna go to, crap, I don't know what to do on this. I'm gonna do 1 millimeter, just to see what it does. Okay, camber, 0. I don't want any camber for my 12 scale at the moment. Okay, I'm figuring this out. Speed, I'm gonna go to, let's go 5 and 5. I need to read up on what the speed. All right, but let's take a look at this. All right, 5, 0, 41.8, 1, 0, 0, 0. All right, let's see what this bad boy can do. All right. Oh, this is settings. Got to get our settings. Mode 2. All right. All right, now it's reading. Actually, before it starts, I'll put this guy up so you can kind of see what it's doing. It's moving on out. Once it gets kicked up, I'm going to, obviously. Whoa, it's a little close, isn't it? I guess it's reading. Oh, pretty close to what it was. Let's see where it stops. Oh, snap, look at that. So I'm wondering if the original, and this is where I probably should read instructions, is where maybe this first pass should be. Like, I think maybe that's, because it's just skimming it right now. My gut is it's now going to go to 41.8. So maybe if you have like a big old fat tire, right, that you want to not have it, yep, I hear it moving. It's not taking much off. Oh, it's moving some more. Oh, that's the rounding. Come on, give me the 41 point. I need to hear some more. All right, so maybe this needs calibration, but either way, it did take some. I'm gonna put you back. Here, I'll flip this around. I don't know if you can see me, but it's probably better than looking at. Hold on, it's still moving. I'm assuming it's done because it stopped moving the deal. Yeah, that's done. Whoa, it's still moving. Okay, it's done. Now, Again, I'd rather be safe than sorry, and maybe this needs calibrated. I'm not quite sure. Let's take a look. So it really didn't hit anything. So I'm calibrated at 0. Yep, 0. If I squeeze it, I'm still at 4205. Really, no? I'm really doing it. I'm at that 4217 is where I was at. Interesting.